Make a great choice today with
The 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, privacy glass, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.